So I'm moving to the next sound. So good. Good. So the next sound is good. Okay, so that is good. Okay, so tell me, that's the next sound. What's that for?
G.
Letter G, yes. Akram, your mom said you should not play with speed again. Stop doing that. Okay, what's the letter G for? Akram. What's G for? G. What is it for? Akram. Letter G for girl. G. Girl. That's a girl. What's the next sound? That's a guitar. Touch a guitar.
A winter.
Okay. Touch a gift. Where is a gift? Yes, and a
This
gift. Yes, this is a gift. This one. This one is a gift. This one. That's a gift.
A gift.
Yes, gift.
A gift.
Gift. Yes. That's a gift. This is a guitar. This is a girl. Are you a girl?
No, I'm a boy.
You're a boy. Good. So the next sound is H. 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 So we're going to stop at J. We're going to stop at J. So continue the next class. Okay. So H. The H sound is as in what? Okay, tell me, Akran. No, that's not. That is H. Just like you're saying, as in horse. That's a horse.
Horse.
As in horse. Okay.
A chicken.
As in hen. Hen. Okay. What's the next? And the animal. The next. What's that?
Animal.
Hippo. Yes. That's hippo.
Another one.
That's hippo. Hippopotamus. You can call it
a chicken. A hippos.
Hippo. Yes. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. That's hippo.
Thomas.
Yes, hippopotamus.
Thomas.
Okay, this is I. E. As in what? Igloo. As in igloo.
Eagle.
Yes, as in
a baby.
Infant. Yes, a baby's infant. Then the last one is the dog. The puppy is in the box. In, as in in. So J. We will stop at J today. So we'll continue from J, K, L, M. Then we finish it to Z. So J. Akram, where are you? Okay. Okay. What sound is this? J. Can you say J? Can you say J? Akram. Can you say J?
J.
Can you say J? Okay. J as in what? As in what? Akram. J as in jelly. Can you see jelly on the screen? Jelly. As in jelly. as in jacket. Where is the jacket? Can you touch a jacket? Akram, touch jacket. Good. Jacket.
A juice.
Wonderful. And what's the next? After juice, what's the next object?
A strawberry.
Jelly. That's a jelly.
A jelly.
Yes, a jelly. Jelly. So jelly. So let's move to the next letter sound. We are going to let's stop at K. K. Okay. This is letter K. K. Letter K. And the sound is k, k, k. Okay. Letter K. As in what? Keyboard. Do you know keyboard, Akram? Touch keyboard.
Okay.
That's a keyboard. Yes, keyboard. Touch key. Where is key? K, k, as in key. Akram, touch key. Touch key now. What are you doing? Key. Good. K, as in key. What of kitten? Where is kitten? Kitten. Okay. Kitten. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the next slide now, which is going to we are going to be writing now. Okay? Yes.
I can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen, really? Yes, so I will share another screen. Hold on. Okay? Sorry.
I can't see the screen.
Hold on, I'll share it. Okay, so let me share the next screen. So I want to share the next screen. Hold on. Okay. So that one we are going to write. We are going to be writing. Okay, can you bring out your book and your pencil so you can prepare for writing?
This my
Did you tell him it's time to write?
Yes, ma'am. Time to write. Okay, we're going to be writing.
I know, I want to find your pencil. I want to let it check. I'm going to put this head in the the pencil there.
No.
Oh, the pencil is there.
Yes.
Okay. Wait, listen to your teacher. She's going to tell you what to
So
I'm a teacher. Why is it time to write?
yes, it's time to write. Hold on. I want to share. I want to share the next screen with you. Just hold on.
Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth.
It's not giving me this. Okay.
Let me see. Wait, your teacher is going to show you what to write, okay?
Okay, let me use the IXL. I'll come back to this so that I won't waste time. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this first.
Everywhere will be filled with this thing now. There will not be space for you to write.
So we have written R to K. Yes, to D. You can write the now. So you are still going to write R. You are going to write letter A to letter D. Okay. So we are writing A, B, C, and D. So that is R, B, K, D. Akram, are you there? So you are going to be writing R. Okay. So write R.
I want my
You've written your R. Good. So your B. Write your B.
I want my ball.
B. Good boy.
Okay. I want my car.
Okay, so your D. You write K. Then you stroke up. Okay. So can you write that?
I'm a runner.
Good boy.
Mommy, I'm not there.
Okay.
This is not there, mommy.
That's your
Okay.
book. This is
Good boy.
the.
Mom, this is in my car.
See, she write it. See how your auntie is writing it. See, she's writing it together. You scattered everywhere. You are writing R here. You are writing it very well. Write R here. Yeah, write R here.
Okay.
So write it
Write
again.
here.
The K.
No, the small one. Small letter boss. See? Write it here.
Then you stroke up.
Like this
Yeah,
down.
straight down. Yeah, yeah. That's it, bro. See your teacher. It's just straight down and cough.
What is he
Oh,
trying
check
to write?
down. Down.
And
Like this.
yeah, that's just like cough. Now like the. That's it. Now like eh. Okay, your teacher has not written eh.
I've not written. So write R book and again.
Yeah, write it here again. Ah. See, it's like this.
Ah, you can write it like this. You can write your K. Then you stroke down. Short stroke down. Okay?
See your teacher. Right. Hey. Write it. Write it here. Ah. You're writing around.
And you
See,
can
see
you can write it round too.
is around and a small stroke down.
Yeah.
See? Like
You can also use round. Okay? You can use your
that.
round, then it's stroke
Hey.
down.
Write it here.
Round,
Around
then it's
and
stroke
it's,
down.
why can't instead of writing the stroke down from here, you write it around and then stroke down here. See?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Around. Okay.
That's better. She is not cup like, she be down, down like this, not like this, down like this. Okay. Yeah, right this way. And straight down, small. Yeah, that's
Is it still
better.
writing R? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
a circle and a stroke down. Just a small stroke down.
small stroke. Yeah. Now right ball.
That is not R.
That's see your teacher's own. See? Yeah, right ball. Right ball.
Not over there.
No, it doesn't start from here. That's another thing. Right ball. You are writing 3 now. Right ball. Where's your eraser set? Sometimes you just do it. I'm telling you, are writing 3 and you're still writing it. You like doing what you want to do. Automatically, you like doing what you want to do. Yeah, right ball. That's good. Well done. Now, right. And the.
The
Yeah.
Okay.
Well done. I think you wrote one R to E the last time. If I remember.
No, it's the. You stop at the. It's today we want to practice A.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I did. We did K and a stroke up. The. So it's today we want to start A.
Oh, okay.
So are you done writing R to?
Yeah, yeah, finished writing it.
Okay.
Oh no.
So
You know
now
what?
let's.
Now writing this thing.
What did you say?
I'm with you.
Okay. So I can. So now let's write A. The next letter is A. We are going to
Yeah.
practice A.
Look at how your
A.
teacher is going to put it.
You're writing A. That's letter E. So you write your K. Then you copy it in this way. That's A. Okay. You write your
See?
K, letter C this way. Cop. Then you take it in this way. Okay.
No, look at
Can
how
you
your
do
teacher is
that?
writing.
Can you write it?
Can you write it for him one more time? Let him see it.
Okay.
Wait.
Akram, look at the screen. You write your K, your letter C. Then up here, you take it in. You cup it inside this way.
See?
Can you try that? Okay,
Letter
so
C.
write
You
it
cup
in your
it
book.
in. Well done. Wow, that's so
Good.
perfect. Well
Wow,
done.
Akram is a superstar. So write it again. Write your K again. That is A. You are writing A.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Good.
Write it again. Okay. That's it. Well done.
Yes.
Good job.
Okay.
That's it. Well done. Very good. Akram is a superstar.
Yes. So keep writing your A.
Well done. Keep writing. That's it. That's it.
That's all.
Yeah,
Yes, that's A.
Yeah. Well done.
That's right.
That's it.
Good.
Yeah. Let's keep writing. I can write it once and do it. You don't need to be writing. Just when you write that correct thing, do it like that. You don't need to first write 3C before you copy it inside. Mm. Yeah. Well done. Keep writing.
Is it happy?
Yeah, write it there. Yeah, right there, right there.
Okay. Yes. Four.
Yes, call.
Yes.
Yeah,
Then it's F.
that makes
Yes,
10. Yeah,
yes.
keep writing it.
Mommy, I know S. Yeah, use